Tell I'm going to make my hair today. Yes, I put it in bond so it doesn't shrink. So let's go and see what we can do. Hello, so I'm just going to be explaining how I did the braids. So we sectioned my hair, then started with the down ones because we had to make it long, like in different lengths. So after doing that, we started with the second layer, and that's what she's doing right now. And we always left some at the end because I wanted the coily, which we used coil rods, I think, for that. And it was just a beautiful experience, and I really love making my hair here because we were just experimenting. But trust me, we did slay this. Just keep on watching to the end to see how it turns out. I was just vibing and so happy to be here for real, for real. So I love you. Thank you for watching. Like 2 a.m. and we are plaiting the ends. Plaiting the ends anyway. I'm back. As you can see, the baby girl has showered. Like yes, I have showered. I feel cool. I feel lightheaded. But if I remove this thing now, you're gonna get shocked. So because of the coil, I don't mind just to stay overnight. So like the coils will like they will loop like amoebas, like fetus, like a baby. You understand? So I left it on. So gorgeous. It's so gorgeous. I can really feel the beauty of this hair. I was so grateful. I am still so grateful and happy that my hairstylist and her apprentices were able to put this together. Like I'm gonna have the best birthday ever. Please don't mind me. I'm being so dramatic. Drama, calm down, calm down. Meanwhile, I'm just so happy and grateful. Like I really expressed it and everything. I was very spontaneous with this hair. Let me let you in. I didn't pick a hairstyle till today at the salon when she has cut the hair, the attachment. She's like, you. I was like, ma, I'm sorry. I don't know. I just couldn't get my head around what I wanted. But I'm so happy I even eventually found out what I wanted to do. So yes, my travel date is coming. I'm just getting everything ready. So my trip will be so beautiful and I won't be thinking about anything. I like taking this off and let's see how it did and everything. So I am so happy and grateful like that it came out well. Like the entire layer braid thing, because like this is me going out of my comfort zone and doing a hairstyle that I don't even know if how we were going to do it, and we just like said, oh, let's just try it out. And I'm so happy, like it came out even better than expected. Like it's so different and it's giving ballerina for reals. Like it's giving ballerina for days. Okay, 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 okay. Ooh, that's so beautiful. Oh my gosh, she's so fine. Oh my goodness, darling, honey, honey. Oh my god, oh my god. It's giving baby girl. In my head, I'm in Paris. Like, look at it now. I'm in Paris. Oh, bonjour. Oui, oui. You see, it's the Paris in me that is giving. Because look at this girl. Look at this queen. Look at this queen. Look at she. Look at she struth. Look at she moved. I don't work. I strut. My stylist is like the best. Oh my god, I am so happy right now because it was what it. This thing literally almost burnt me yesterday. I'm telling you. Like when we were trying to take the hot water up, it got so hot. It got so hot. I was like, oh my god. They kept on telling me sorry because I was in so much pain. Like I know beauty is pain. Usually I always say that I'm scared of hot water. This today I did not say I'm scared of hot water. That's very hot water wants to show me shaking. That's not how it works now. When you say you're not scared of something, it doesn't scare you anymore. Oh my, to buy those clothes, I'm like, work every freaking hairstyle. Like, how my birthday is on a Monday, I will never understand. Did I manifest that money? I think I did. I think Golden Locks, reporting live from Golden Locks City. Let's turn the city up. The city is dry, high and dry. So let's give it a little bit of color. That's what I did with this hair. We're adding color. The world, because they really do need it. So like go through your fingers, bring them out. Do you see the layers? Do you see it? Hey God. It's giving what it's supposed to give. This is like the first layer, second layer, third layer. Tigozu killed this. No, she killed this. She killed this. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. I feel luscious. I feel like a queen. Literally. Something. Because I love my side parts, so that's everything like that. Ooh, it is so pretty. Oh my goodness, I am dying. What in the hell is this kind of beauty doing in this world? So, this is just like me. Gosh, you ever? Probably you should. You can. The beauty can be shared, but like right now, I own the show. I own this show. Like, freaking give me my money. Like, pay me what you owe me. This is so beautiful. This is so beautiful. Giving what it's supposed to give. I love you so much. Yes, let's go to Paris.